um, like camp and many more and
Wow.
many. And
How about the where we should get the information? More
you can
information.
follow the Instagram
Yeah.
and Ekinsa, ECUEANSA.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, you can follow the Instagram if you
Yeah.
want to join. Everybody can join.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you. And that's
Okay.
it. Okay. Okay. Next, we move on to Miss.
Yeah, yeah, Miss Dina. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
Miss.
you for having me and
Yes.
us. I am Dina. I am from Max. Max
Yeah.
is a English community in Makassar. It is from all people who want to improve their English. So if you want to join us, it is free, and you can join us in Al Markas Mosque in Tuesday and Saturday. We will
Okay.
see. We will waiting for you guys. So you have to
Okay,
come.
thank you, Kak. And next, we move on to the only boy in here. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vera. My name is
Yes.
Andi Muhammad Perswadi, but the
Yes.
others call me Fairuz.
Yeah.
But I love to call by Arus.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Arus.
So I am here represents EL,
Yeah.
Elliot's Letters.
Oh.
So actually, EL is not the English community, but
Okay.
we are our movement is in volunteering,
Mhm.
but we are focused also in self developments like this
Mhm.
in
Mhm.
English
Yeah.
also. So it's not only for uh peoples, but also ours as members.
Oh.
So the recent activities program for Elliot's Letter is we are recently just open recruitments last month. We elaborate for like sharing and caring to peoples in orphans in
Okay.
Samata.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's great.
thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone for coming and already introduce yourself. And now we're going to talk about our special topic, and maybe it's related with our nowadays. Yes, our society, and especially in digital era. It's I think you seems familiar with this topic. It's about FOMO, or it's an acronym for fear of missing out. Yeah, or make it simple, it's like feeling worried or anxious or maybe scared when you saw people in social media. If they have something, they know something, but you didn't. Like you, yeah, such as like trends, news, yeah, something like that. And I want to ask you guys, what is your opinion when you hear about this topic? I want to start with Miss Nita.
I think in my opinion,
Yeah.
FOMO or fear of missing out
Yeah.
is a condition where someone feel anxious about when for example me,
Yeah.
when I saw people experience something happy,
Yeah.
but I don't involve in it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Former people always want to up to date. They don't want to missing out about something, about the topic, the trend, what's happening, and information.
Yeah. Yeah.
Basically, FOMO is a social comparison.
Comparison.
Comparing, yeah,
Yeah.
social comparing. Like
Oh.
I always compare myself with
With other.
other people, especially in social media.
Yeah. Yeah.
I often see another people experience, and
Yeah.
I feel like I want to be like them too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's FOMO in my opinion.
Thank you. Yeah, sometimes we want to try something that we didn't get. Yeah, yeah.
You always.
Okay, maybe from Miss Dina, you
Yeah.
want to.
You always think that our your how to say tetangga
Neighbor.
and your neighbor always have the greenest
Yeah.
greenest grass than yours. Yeah, it is like the same as FOMO, right?
Yeah,
So
it
that's
seems,
my
yeah.
opinion. Maybe. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Ka. Yeah, for the past, maybe it seems like that, but now we just saw on social media, it's already give us FOMO feeling. Yeah, maybe, Mr. Mr. Arus.
Okay, thank you, host. So basically, there are some misconception about what is FOMO, fear of
Yeah.
missing out. People just thinking FOMO is only exists in social media, but it is not, because FOMO is actually the feeling of fear of we are not including in something. Yeah. But nowadays, people thinking that FOMO is we are not following the trends, but actually FOMO is a feeling of expressions that we are not including in something, that we are missing something, that people didn't ask us to join or what something else. So there are some especially like a form of expression and action of FOMO itself. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mr. for give your opinion. Next, we move on to Miss Naila.
So I also agree that FOMO started as we just feel scared that we miss out on something, but in our digital era now, it also includes social media, because especially young generation nowadays experience FOMO the most when they look at like social media. And to me it's such a shame, because a lot of people that have FOMO end up like stunting their social life. They always anxious. They always like try to fit in with other people, and don't have like time to express themselves and also improve themselves. That's it from me.
Thank you, Miss Naila. We move on to the next question. Have you ever feel FOMO? Yeah, and maybe you can share your experience or story from yourself or maybe from the others. Yeah, that you know they're feeling FOMO sometimes. Okay, we start from Miss Dina.
Yeah, thank you so much for
Yeah.
the question. Experience about FOMO.
Yeah.
Maybe I do.
Yeah.
I did.
Oh.
Yeah, I think all of us, maybe all of us, have experienced this. I don't know how to say FOMO. It is a trend.
Yeah.
Is it a condition? Is it a maybe symptoms, phenomena?
yeah.
Maybe it's phenomena. Phenomena of FOMO is I have experience about this. You know, when people maybe go out and maybe just healing or going to somewhere, and when they upload their status and their story, and I didn't ask to join. It is like, oh my God, why they go without me? It is like FOMO, right? Because you are fear that you missing out about the moment, like that. And it makes me like, oh my God, they when I see they smile at their in their story, and I don't exist there, I just feeling, oh my God, I want to join too, but I didn't they don't ask me to join them. It is like you make you sad, and when you scroll again, you see people have experience where maybe they get A in their campus life, or maybe they got accomplished something. You start form again by what? Maybe when you see their accomplishment, you say to yourself, oh my God, she's so good, well I'm not. And you scrolling again, and you see people in their happy life, and you comparing yourself again. That makes you anxious and more anxious and more anxious again.
And it's become envy sometimes.
And you envy, and you hate yourself, and you just maybe don't care about anymore, and you just thinking, oh my God, a lot of people will be happy without me. So why I am still here, like that. I ever thinking about that, but maybe other people can share their experiments too.
Okay, next we move on to Miss Naila. You want to share your experience or story?
Our previous speaker really described my experience. And so that's also one of the reason I actually reduced my time on my social media, because when I scroll in my Instagram, there's like my friends, they're going out, they're like doing events, volunteering, and I just stay at home. I don't do anything. Yeah. And as I described before, that it will become is an endless cycle. It's just like doubting yourself that you're not doing enough. Like look at like other people, they're like doing so much, and you are here doing nothing. But what is it? I want to say that you live your life at your own pace.
Yeah.
Don't follow like
Yeah.
someone else's pace, because you will be just always like that. Oh, yeah, I'm like falling behind.
Yeah.
It's an endless cycle. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, wow, it's a great. Yeah. Okay. Next, we move to Mr. Arus.
Okay, thank you. What's the question again?
Have you ever feel FOMO before?
Yeah, of course. I think that everybody has experienced this FOMO. I just like the situations when, if you're guys gossiping,
Yeah.
I don't know what you're gossiping about, and I'm sitting here. Like you talk about Jeffrey Nichols. Who is Jeffrey
Who is
Nichols?
that?
This just makes me feel anxious
Yeah.
about who is Jeffrey Nichols. Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be in these conversations? Yeah, that is FOMO in conversation in real life,
Yeah.
but also in social media. The previous speaker said that we constantly checking our social media, just like WhatsApp. We are uploading story. Yeah, we checking who's seen it. That's a fear of missing out. That's a simple like who's checking my story. Yeah, or maybe like we look to our friends in social media. Wow, she's really good. She's going to volunteering. She has many achievements that I don't. That's oh my god. That's hurts my feelings. So that's FOMO. So avoid FOMO, please.
Yeah, agree.
Yeah.
Okay, next, Miss Nita.
I think I have same experience with Mr. Arus. When my friend talking about one topic, and they talk about one term, like one satu istilah, and I don't understand what is that. I immediately checking my phone and open the Google and see what is blah blah blah, so I can find it, so I don't miss the topic, so I can join the topic. Yeah. I think that's my experience about
It's so
FOMO.
hard. It's so hard when we around people, but we don't know what are they talking about.
Yeah, it makes me feel like, oh, how's yeah. I feel like how pity am I don't know the term.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we move on to the next question. What's the impact of being FOMO? Yeah, sometimes we don't know. We just maybe because we already follow the trend. It can cause our mental health or something. Yeah, we start from Miss Naila.
Okay, so for me, of course, like the main thing is anxiety.
Yeah.
You like FOMO always like causes anxiety, like so much anxiety, and it sometimes really like make you really stop to what do you want to do, because you look at other people and they're doing that. Why am I doing this? This is not what I'm supposed to do. And also there's also FOMO in like buying stuff, like trendy things. And it can cause us like you buy unnecessary things and will be bad for your financial. Yeah. And also you will spend a lot of time in stuff that you don't need to do. Like you can use that time to like things that you want to do, and things that can make your with self improvement for your self improvement. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I think when you say buy some stuff, it's even when you don't need it, right?
Yeah,
You still
exactly.
buy because
Yeah.
you follow the crowd, you follow
Yeah.
other people.
You're the only one who doesn't have
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, thank you for
Yeah.
the. And you, Miss, how about you? Have you ever have the impact
The
of
impact.
being FOMO?
Okay, I think the impact being FOMO,
Yeah.
there are positive and negative impact,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm so curious. Yeah.
The positive impact is I can update my information.
Oh.
I can join in every situation,
Yeah.
and I can how to say mengurangi. How to say mengurangi?
Reduce.
Uh, re-
Reduce.
I can reduce my
Yeah.
my anxious,
Yeah.
and then I can look up my following. I can look up which one is can I follow. I take the positive impact and I apply in myself. And then the negative is it can break my mental.
Yeah, I agree
What
with
do you
that.
think, guys? I think when I
When you keep looking for
yeah, when I
others.
look more I scrolling the
Yeah.
my social media like TikTok, Instagram, more I find something that makes me feel like I wanna be someone. It's we
Yeah.
can say that I lost my identity.
Yeah.
That's from me.
You're still comparing yourself with others. Wow. And next we move on to Miss Dina.
Yeah. Actually, all of my answer is answered by our sisters here. Yeah, actually, that's what I experienced lastly. How to say recently? Recently, yeah. You know, guys, I just want to sharing a story. I am starting my life as a content creator. Yeah, I just have several follower. I don't
Okay.
have like maybe thousand of no, but
That's fine.
hope so in the future. And you know, when I just maybe uploading my my video or my reels in my Instagram, and I see that, oh my god, the likes is just maybe few then maybe Ruben Onsu or Fuji, or oh my god, kayak I comparing. You know that maybe I miss that I am starting as a newcomer and they are the greatest in this industry. So it is the FOMO, right? When you're feeling that maybe, oh my god, what missing in my maybe my videos is bad, or my content is not useful, or maybe I just don't have to be a content creator. That's what I think, and it is the impact. So I just so I don't upload several months because I'm feeling anxious. Oh my god, maybe I don't supposed to be a content creator. It is the bad impact, the bad thing that I can share as the impact of being FOMO. And because of that, I don't learning again. I don't maybe trying to how to make my content, my video better. I just thinking, oh my god, maybe it is not for me. It is the bad impact for about FOMO. Maybe in the next question, maybe we will talk about how to solve it. Maybe. Thank you so much.
Because you're still comparing yourself with others, you don't go for that.
You go forward.
Okay. Next, Mr. Arus.
So yeah, I would like to talk the positive impact of FOMO by the POV as a barista. So I used to be a barista before. So my boss actually just how to say, this FOMO, like you making advertisements, the countdowners of the discount. So it's make many bunch of people feel FOMO. I have to buy this stuff. I have to buy this coffee. The discount is also almost over. So it's the FOMO of a bunch of peoples. They come, especially in the Sunday's night.
Sunday's night. Oh.
Wow, that's really smart of my boss. But especially, yeah.
It's a good promotion, I think.
It's good promotions
Yeah.
for boss owners. Yeah, great business, a businessman. So, but there are also negative impact of FOMO. Yeah, it just like downgrade ourselves, comparing ourselves of others, and also there's a quote that's saying, if you fear of missing something, that you're gonna miss everything.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
And
a good
also,
one.
why we should compare ourselves? I'm just asking, do you guys like to be compared by your parents if your neighbor is better than you? So why we still comparing ourselves the others, just downgrade ourselves? So yeah, that's the negative impact of FOMO.
Yeah. We don't want to comparing by others, but we still compare ourselves with others. Well,
Yeah, maybe it is because it is people teach us in maybe in our when we child, just as simple as maybe you have a sister or brother, and your brother or sister have a good behavior. Your parents will say, you must be look at your sister or your brother, they have good blah blah blah, good blah blah blah. So actually FOMO is not 100% is our fault. It is people, it is society teach us also.
We forced to be.
Yeah, and maybe when you don't realize you don't realize that maybe you make people FOMO when you just say maybe look at your brother or maybe look at your campus, maybe I'm sorry, look at your campus. Your campus is not
It's
good
good
as
at-
maybe this campus or those campus, or maybe those major. Your major is not important in society. You maybe hear or maybe you say about that. It is
I hear a
also
lot.
making yourself comparing yourself to others, maybe.
Wow, thank you, Miss Dina. And guys, I wanna ask you again. But before that, we will back again after this 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. The spirit of Indonesia.
Wah, udah mau akhir tahun 2023. Refresh isi rumah di dekor rumah. Pilihannya banyak, promonya juga beragam. Makin sabar buat dekorasi rumah ala Japandi.
Sambut momen liburan di akhir tahun dengan percantik isi hunian di dekor rumah. Nikmati promo spesial Super Year End Sale. Super banyak diskonnya, super puas belanjanya. Diskon furnitur hingga 70% plus ekstra diskon hingga 10%. Gratis furniture senilai 2 juta rupiah. Beli satu gratis satu aksesoris rumah estetik. Combo hemat, beli furniture, gratis furniture. Spesial voucher akhir tahun hingga ratusan ribu rupiah. Promo berlaku mulai 4 Desember sampai 7 Januari 2024. Semakin banyak yang kamu belanja, maka semakin banyak juga promo yang bisa kamu dapetin. Yuk kunjungi Dekor Rumah Experience Center terdekat atau download aplikasinya buat dapetin berbagai inspirasi serta promo menarik lainnya. Info lebih lanjut, follow Instagram @dekorrumah.
Smart Listener yang baru untuk Anda. Program Smart Family Business dan Wacana Bisnis mulai saat ini akan mengudara di setiap hari Kamis jam 7 malam waktu Indonesia Barat atau 8 malam waktu Indonesia Tengah dalam Smart Enterprise. Bersama Patricia Susanto, CEO The Jakarta Consulting Group, dan para pelaku bisnis serta leader. Smart Enterprise setiap Kamis jam 7 malam waktu Indonesia Barat atau 8 malam waktu Indonesia Tengah hanya di Smart FM, part of Kompas Gramedia Radio Network.
Smart Market Insight pindah jam siar. Kini, Smart Market Insight bisa Anda dengarkan di hari Selasa jam 7 malam waktu Indonesia Barat dan 8 malam waktu Indonesia Tengah. Bersama Ryan Filbert, praktisi pasar modal Indonesia. Smart FM, part of KG Radio Network.
Bahagia itu sederhana.
Jika bahagia itu sederhana, mengapa tak semua memilikinya? Jika bahagia itu indah, mengapa banyak orang memilih meratap dalam hidupnya? Mari, jadikan setiap momen hidup kita adalah bahagia.
Apa itu kebahagiaan? Kebahagiaan adalah semakin panjang syarat Anda, semakin sulitlah bahagia Anda.
Dapatkan selalu inspirasi hidup bahagia Anda dalam Smart Happiness setiap Jumat jam 7 pagi waktu Indonesia Barat atau jam 8 pagi waktu Indonesia Tengah bersama Arfan Pradiansyah, motivator nasional di bidang leadership and happiness. Disiarkan di Smart FM Network dan jaringan radio sonora di Indonesia. Jadikan setiap momen hidup Anda adalah bahagia dan pastikan Anda bergabung bersama kami. Smartfm, Business and Inspiration. Dan pastikan Anda bergabung bersama kami.
East, West, North and South, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart FM.
.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back, English community of Makassar. Giving applause for us. Okay, guys, we will continue our discussion. I wanna ask you, when you see on social media, well, there are several band or K-pop idol. Shall I mention the group? Okay, maybe I can mention the group. Okay, but when you see people are being FOMO, they buy the ticket, but they didn't know who on the stage. What's your opinion about that? Yeah, Miss Tina.
Okay, thank you so much for the chance. Yeah, actually, all of us maybe know about the concert of band in Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yeah, the initial is Coldplay. Yeah. Jadi so. Yeah, a lot of people maybe just buy just doing a war ticket just for maybe just to come because people say that it is the greatest concert in Indonesia, or the band is really a legend in the world, so you have to come even though the price of ticket is, oh my God, it is like more than your salary in 3 months. You just have to go. So it is like the FOMO, right? Because people just doing it because they don't want to missing out this band. This band in this band concert of band in Indonesia. And we know that Coldplay is not it's not a newest it's not the newest band. I mean, it is like several maybe puluhan tahun yang lalu. Like how to say?
Several
years ago,
Uh,
maybe, and people who buy the ticket is Gen Z,
Yeah.
who don't know actually what is the, maybe when you ask them what is the 10 title of song
Songs
of
of
Coldplay,
Coldplay. Yeah.
they cannot name it correctly. I
Mm.
guess I swear. And yeah, maybe they just buy because, oh my god, I should upload a story and in the concert of Coldplay, because
Yeah.
it can make me greet when people
So my story.
yeah, see my story.
Yeah.
They will invite to me because I
Yeah.
can go to concert
Yeah.
like that. And yeah, all of us know about the penipuan, yeah. The scam of ticket how to say oknum.
Yeah, oknum.
I do forget who's the name of
Scammer.
the scammer. Maybe you can search in Google, and yeah, all of us know how great the number of people who want to buy the ticket. Yeah, it show us that a lot of people really want to go to the concert, even though maybe they don't really know. They are the real fans of Coldplay.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
other
Okay.
people have an opinion.
Yeah. Okay, we move on to Miss Nita. Yeah, the same question with Miss Dina before. Like I say, about your opinion when you see people on social media, they buy ticket just for watching the concert, even though they didn't know who is that. They didn't know the song of. Yeah.
I think as long as the people don't disturb another people, it's just okay.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's okay for me because it's none of my business, right?
Okay.
Okay.
But I hear when people who are the real fans didn't get the ticket because of the FOMO people.
Oh,
They will angry so about
yeah.
that.
If I in the position, I will angry too
Yeah.
because you don't really know the band, but you want to join,
Yeah.
and you make us miss the moment.
Yeah, as a real fan.
As a real
right?
fans, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think, but it's disturb myself, right?
Yeah.
So if I in this condition, I will angry too.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
I
you.
don't agree with the FOMO that make another people being disturbed.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Miss Nita. And we move on to Miss Naila for the same question.
Well, I also when it comes to like concerts, I
Yeah.
also agree with the fans.
The fans. Oh.
Yeah, because especially when it comes to like overseas artists, like a K-pop artist or like a Western artist, they do not come to Indonesia like every year.
Yeah.
They only come usually like once in 10 years.
Yeah.
Even like some artists even never really come to Indonesia
Yeah,
before. So I also feel the fans feeling because
Yeah.
not only it's not cheap, but
Yeah.
they are willing to like spend that much money on something that they don't even like or
Yeah.
even know, just because of FOMO.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I actually disagree with. It's not really disturbing anyone because it is disturbing someone, like the real fans.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, thank you, Miss Naila, for the opinion. Next, we move on to Mr. Arus.
Maybe I'll start to comment about that things
Yeah.
that Miss Anita said that it's okay. I think you got a bunch of money. They're saying just following your curiosity of watching this band that you didn't know even exists or you didn't know. But in this situation, we call it as we define FOMO as romantic and classic. Maybe you ever heard about this? So romantic people tend to be following what is really fancy, glamorous,
Oh.
that many people interesting with, that you should be there. So
Mm.
that's romantic people. In this situation, it's called romantic.
Okay.
But there are some others called classical
Mm.
persons,
Mm.
classical FOMO. They enjoy about the smallest thing of life.
Mm.
Enjoy of the smallest thing, like this FOMO fears of missing their parents' conditions,
Mm.
missing like the love of the child, the firstborn, the simple, like enjoying the smallest thing in life. So, I'm gonna say this is just like in this situation called romantic. You
Oh.
are defined as romantic persons.
Oh.
Yeah.
But
That's it.
Miss Dina, you want to say something?
Actually, when you say that the former people who want to maybe enjoy the small things, even
Yeah.
the small things in life, they don't have to be informal.
Yeah.
I think because when you just enjoy your life, or maybe you, yeah, you how to say, you studying in where did you study? UIN. And in UIN maybe there is no how to say, maybe I'm sorry, yeah, the UIN itu UIN cannot the students of UIN cannot join Kampus Merdeka, or something like that, and you just maybe, oh my god, I want to join also. Yeah, my friend who study in UNM or Unhas can go, why I cannot? When you just maybe you enjoy your small things, oh, it's okay. It is their opportunity. I have my own opportunity. It is when you enjoy your life, your small life. But maybe when you feeling FOMO, oh my god, I want to join also. I have to demo to Kemendikbud or something like that.
Yeah.
How to say? Maybe you have opinion
About this? Yeah. Say, I must say that FOMO is external factors. So personality is internal, and also there is called as a bodo amat. How to say? Yeah.
It goes.
I avoid the words. I avoid the words. Yeah, bodo amat. So, FOMO, focus on yourself and don't give a F.
Okay.
So you just have to be focused on your personality. Like don't graduate yourself. Focus on what is your target, and also what is your priority. Just following your FOMO is like following desires. Yeah, I have read some books that call the title book is Menggeledah Hasrat. So based on Lacan's, there are the three cycles of desires. First is real, imaginary, and symbolic. Real is the subject is you, real is me. The imaginers is when you absorb everything. This is the condition of you are absorb the form of feelings. The symbolic is you're following your desires. So this is the end of terus berputar.
Oh, the cycle.
Yeah,
Because-
endless cycle.
Oh.
So yeah, that's it. Maybe FOMO is something that we cannot avoid. Yeah, that's my words.
Okay.
But you just have to focus how to triggers FOMO to motivate you. Yeah.
I think it's out of our control to for FOMO people. Sorry, I mean FOMO people.
Okay. Okay, guys. Can we move to the next question? Yeah. We already know that social media impact of being a FOMO, right? And I wanna ask you guys: have you ever feel depressed for when you saw people being happy, but you're not in there? You're not be with them. So yeah, you see people. Well, they're so happy with their life, their friends, maybe their activities, and it's not you. Have you ever feel depressed? We start from Naila.
Well, yeah, I already talked talk about it, but well, when you scroll social media and also like stories, especially stories, that you will find like people like going to events, like really cool events, or like your friends from your class, and they attend an event that you cannot attend because of something. And every time I see that in like my friends' stories, I feel like, wow, I could do so much more, and I could be there and like be with them and not missing out. And later when I like return, when I go back to campus next day, they will talk about it. Oh yeah, yesterday was really fun, and we do this and this. And I was like, oh my god, I want to do that too.
I heard.
That's it. Cry. Yeah, that's it for me.
Wow, thank you, Miss Naila. And next, Mr. Arus.
If I have to be honest, there are like 3 years. Like 3 years. I graduated in 2020, but I joined college in 2021 because I have to work first. So I'm really jealous of my friends that going to college after high schools, but I have to working first. So that's trigger myself. No, the FOMO is trigger myself to working so I can join register to college too. So that's the impact of FOMO that you can use. And also, I have seen a lot of people like receiving scholarships, and it's also triggers me, motivate me to register to scholarship also. And alhamdulillah, I got the scholarship of Central Bank Indonesia.
Wow.
No.
Oh.
No.
So FOMO brings a positive side in your
a
life.
Positive and negative, but how you triggers it.
Oh.
Anyways, as our day of Bank Indonesia, so Bank Indonesia is open socializations in UIN. The scholarships, that's it. That is my FOMO. How I trigger my FOMO.
Thank you, Miss Arus. Mr. Arus. Okay. Next, Miss Nita. How have you ever feel depressed when you saw people on social media being happy without you?
No, I think until depressing, no. I try to enjoy myself, enjoy my life, and but if it something about information, I think I still try to find out the information. I think I still the FOMO is still in myself, in my soul. So, but at this time, I try to just enjoy the life.
Wow, nice. Next, we move on to Miss Dina.
Actually, about this question, maybe I have answered this question, but maybe I interested in our brother and sister opinion about. They say that FOMO give us the positive impact. Maybe about 15 minutes or maybe more than that, all of us talking just maybe focus on
the
negative side of FOMO. But I interested that FOMO, we can make FOMO is in good, in make us maybe have us make us to be better when you improving yourself, when you feeling FOMO, as our brother say that oh my god, my friend can go to college because they have a scholarship, so I want to have a good scholarship too. So I have to study, I have to looking up for the information about the scholarship. It is good or bad?
It's
good, right? So FOMO, we can make FOMO trigger our maybe a good side to how to say berjuang, to fight to a better life. because you don't you see people have good the green grass, so you have to make your grass green too. Yeah, maybe that's what I learned, in today. All people, we can see the symptom. No, it is not symptom, it is a phenomena. Phenomena in two side. It when it has a bad side, it also must have a positive side. Maybe that's all.
But if you still being FOMO, when you see people and you still being FOMO, but I think it's have limit, right?
Yeah, I agree. Actually, I am now 22. I'm 22 now. To this year, and I just realized that there is no 100% bad or 100% good in this life. When you see maybe except in drama, when people have a bad side, it is it will be 100% bad person, but in your real life, maybe our brother, our sister, she is good, but she must have bad side too. That's also in FOMO, in especially in FOMO. It is, I believe that all of bad and good side will make a good combination in some condition. So it is your job to find your way to make your own composition of your life to make it good. Maybe that's my tips as a senior here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys, maybe because we have a limited time, I will invite you to give an advice for people outside to stop being FOMO. Because okay, Miss Naila, maybe.
Well, there's like plenty of ways to stop feeling FOMO. But one of the method that I use is digital detox, or just not stop or reduce your screen time in our social media. And focus on yourself. Again, focus on yourself and live your life at your own pace.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Naila. And maybe it's already. Oh, you want to say something? Okay. Okay, go on.
I think we have to try to accept ourselves, the way who we are. Okay, and we need to reduce the social media using. Because social media give the more impact for us. Social media addicted us to become FOMO. And I think
what? Maybe stop using social media for a separate time.
Stop to use. I think you need to filter what you follow or following or followers. You need to filter it. Who you gonna follow in social media, because you follow them. It's mean that you
enjoy their life. Right?
You see their story, their they post. I think you need to filter it, what is positive and negative. So I think that's from me.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in this discussion, and thank you so much for the smart viewers and listener at home. I hope you guys learned something new from our discussion. Maybe that's all. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. See you guys in the next meeting.